how to connect GoDaddy domain to Namecheap hosting. Hi guys, welcome back to How Solution. In this video, I will tell you how you guys can connect GoDaddy domain to Namecheap hosting. So firstly, open up your GoDaddy dashboard. After that, you guys are going to see this particular dashboard. Now from over here, you guys just have to choose the domain that you guys want to connect. So for example, over here, I have 3 domains. Now from over here, simply choose the one that you guys want. After that, click on these 3 buttons, then click on Manage DNS. Once you guys do that, now from over here, simply scroll down and you guys can basically see your name servers. So now from over here, click on change, and then after that from over here, simply click on enter my own name servers. Now from over here, what you guys have to do is that you guys just have to go on to Namecheap and get your name servers address. Once you guys have those, paste those in over here, and then after that click on save, and then your GoDaddy domain is going to be connected to your Namecheap hosting account. So guys, this was the video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.